Hi guys, we are right now in Premio Motorcycle Retailer Shop in Binalonan, and here actually is the one I had bought from them, this Yamaha SZ. And today I just brought my motor here. Just there's an issue for the low battery itself. The battery level is down, so since it's under the warranty, I bring the vehicle over here. So just check it with them, either it's still applicable or not. Otherwise we have to go to Yamaha dealers to buy this new battery. So they have plenty of motorbikes over here. Here it comes Suzuki. They have Suzuki R150 Hyper. Alright, and there are plenty of collections of different colors in this bike itself. And they have the promotion over here. Christmas bonus 3,000 worth of discounts. That's a good sign. So Christmas promotion, right? You have the Christmas promotion. That's good. They have different bikes, scooters, Yamaha 125. Then it comes over here, the collection of Honda. Nice skins of different colors. And then here is Honda 125. Then here there are 175 kick, 40,300. Here are some super bikes, or you can say Yamaha series here, MT-50. Nice heavy bike. It's Mayo I. This is Honda 150L. Brother, how much is the horsepower for this bike? 150L. It's good power, right? It's good. And here we have a Yamaha i125 made. Yamaha all is the same but different colors, different schemes. Honda 125i. Cord braking 129 km per liter. Wow, that's good. Side spoke, sport cash 59,600, down payment 5,900 monthly.
884, sir.
88?
884, yes, sir.
That's good. That's a new one, right? New brand. That's good, nice. So there is any special promo on this one for the Christmas, or there is no? This is the fixed price.
Yes, sir.
That's a fixed price. That's good. This is all 125, right? TMX Honda. We have plenty of. Is low, right? No. So now my question is, you will replace it still under the warranty? You will replace it.
Warranty battery, sir. This is
battery no warranty, right?
Oh, sir.
You have the stock for this battery?
Sir?
Do you have the stock for this battery now?
No.
No. No problem, then I will go to Yamaha. I will buy it from there. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got it, yes.
Okay. Yes, okay.
This is okay, right?
Oh, okay. There's a battery.
Battery replacement. Okay. So all the fuse, everything is okay, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hi, how are you? Good. I see actually that you have plenty of promo right now for the Christmas holidays, right?
Promo, sir.
Yes. Wow. What does it mean?
Means the motorcycle is
Ah,
the price.
because additional 4,500 pesos off, right? Total discount now at 8,000. How much before this the price?
8,000 discount.
8,000 discount right now, but the final price is before what? Before the discount.
43,000 is the cash of TMX 1 to 5.
Ah, that's good. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. And say my regards to Jam, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell him I came. I just have small